The Thing About Danielle.
Elle dormait à moitié nue.
Tiens, tu me racontes?
C'était quel jour ils sont
Dans la lumière de l'été, au beau milieu de toutes ces ruines.
La première image que j'ai de toi, c'est de jouer aux boules. En tout cas, dont je me souviens.
I remember the first time I saw you. You were playing ball on the square behind the church with a lot of old men. And you stood there with your jeans and your cigarette. You smoked blue Gauloise then.
No, I've never smoked Gauloise. You're wrong. That wasn't me.
Et je trouvais ça chouette. Parce que
At any rate, I found that great and also droll. For the other women you saw at the time, 20 years ago, were different from you, and that made me curious. So, that's Danielle from Perrache.
C'est Danielle de Perrache.
It's all of 20 years since I came to the small wine village for the first time. There were only a few inhabitants whose doors were always open. Dogs replaced doorbells here, and soon the glasses were filled up. Quickly I got to know them all. The Gilly family. I often helped bring in the grapes for them when I was a student. Marie-Rose, the spinster. She's always pretty well kept herself to herself. Now and then she comes along and gives me tips about looking after my roses. The garden means everything to Paulette, the rather odd widow and oldest neighbour. Have you always enjoyed living here?
The goat has to graze where she's tied up.
Some were surprised by the groups of young city people who came in droves like migrant birds to this small place in the 70s. We restored a semi-ruin and were christened the Ruin Folk by Danielle.
Vous êtes arrivés, une bande, avec des grands pantalons.
You arrived, a group wearing flared trousers, torn jeans, with the dogs.
I never wore torn jeans.
Oh, yes, I also remember your guitar. We talked a lot. You got on well with the people of Perrache, and above all with Elie, me and the children. You invited us across. It was free and easy. You had little money, but there was always wine for us there. There was always wine. You probably bought it at the supermarket. I often came alone because I believe Elie was a bit more wary about the hippie generation invasion.
Avec cette invasion de la fin 68, quoi.
Dans les sentiers pleins d'oiseaux et de fleurs, et mes Pyrénées chantent au vent d'Espagne, chantent la mélodie qui bercera mon cœur.
Elie is 60. He was born here. He's been married to Danielle half his life. She hails from Valence, the nearest bigger town. They met in Paris in the metro after a demonstration against France's war in Algeria. Both were standing in front of the timetable, lost, trying to find the way.
Je crois que mes racines sont à Verscheny, avec les gens qui sont autour de moi.
My roots are in Verscheny.
La famille. J'ai assuré ce que j'avais envie
With the people
de
here,
vivre
I've carved out the life I wanted.
au niveau de
The
mon
neighbors, the family.
travail, d'abord,
My work is a winemaker,
au niveau de la
but also
profession
my links with everything.
principalement
The animals,
viticole, mais
trees
aussi
and plants.
avec ce rapport avec toutes les choses, les animaux, les arbres, les plantes. La famille est très importante.
My family is also very important to me.
Une base
It forms the basis
sur
for
laquelle
getting through life.
on peut s'appuyer.
Elie and Daniel have 3 children. They all work together on their winery. Christelle, the oldest, went to the city after school to study, but also to find out what things are like outside the village, outside the family, her nest. She came back and stayed. Her sister Clarisse lives with her small son, separated from her friend. She's realized her girlhood dream. Then she only had horses on posters on the wall. Christophe and his girlfriend have 3 children. Apart from his work at the winery, he keeps pigeons. Danielle and her grandchildren. Her grandfather would have been delighted. All boys. When Danielle was born, he was so disappointed not to have got the desired heir that he had her nappy removed so that he could convince himself of his bad luck.
Alors, à Ferré, il y a 800 mètres. Et la plaine fait 1 km 400 de longueur.
Donc du pont de la Drôme jusqu'au gare.
Oui.
When I came to the village, Danielle and Elie lived under one roof with the children. In the meantime, each has gradually built their own nest in the village, but they all meet daily at the old home.
Faut se dépêcher parce que...
Ça, il faut d'être à moi.
Tu veux le récupérer maintenant?
Bah oui, je vais le récupérer.
Tu l'as donné.
Laisse-moi m'asseoir quand même.
Mais c'est quoi? Ça, c'est un bon de commande? C'est une facture? Tu vas le manger?
Ses mesures.
Elie?
Il a fait des mesures.
Ah ouais.
Combien de virages que je prends?
Et la deuxième image, disons, qui m'est restée.
The second recollection that I have of you, do you want me to tell you?
Bien sûr.
Certainly.
C'était à une
It was
fête
at one of our
d'enfants, là.
parties for the children
Dans la cour
in the
de
neighbor
Gilly.
Gilly's yard.
Première vogue.
The first village party that we held.
J'étais assise sur une table.
I sat at the table.
I tried to make out with
Tout à
you.
coup, je sens une main dans le dos.
Suddenly I felt a hand on my back stroking me. I looked round, and I must admit that I was surprised.
Je me rappelle.
Pas de chance.
Quand je devins militaire, j'ai trouvé la vie amère. Mais un jour mon général me dit bourre d'animal, fait d'homme et caporal. J'ai trop dit vous êtes sûr, j'aimerais mieux un des chars tyroliens pour faire moi un tour. Des chars tyroliens.
Même putain.
Ça va. Un peu de manque de sommeil, mais sinon ça va.
Café.
Before the Arnaud family go to work in the vineyards, they meet every morning in the parental home, where Ellie now lives alone.
Et puis il y a le... Ce qu'il faudra faire gaffe aussi, c'est le botrytis, faire un...
Oui, alors moi je ne sais pas si c'est du mildiou.
On commence à Barsac.
Tu as mis la sulfateuse sur notre couteau, hein.
Il faudra appeler...
Il est réparé, l'autre.
À midi, on appelle Myriam.
Oui.
Soudé.
On l'a ressoudé avec Dédé, ouais. Hier.
Ouais. Non mais bon, ça il faut...
Il faut que ça rentre dans ses habitudes aussi.
Voilà, elle nous téléphone.
Danielle and Bertie lived together for 6 years. Bertie is a social worker and lives in Holland. The Arnauds have many friends there who each year help with the wine harvest. This is how they got to know one another. What attracts you so much to Danielle?
Danielle, pour moi, c'est un personnage très spécial.
For me, Danielle's an extraordinary person. She has many good traits. She's a woman who likes being with people. She's a good friend. Danielle has an eye for detail, a feeling for people, which is just gorgeous.
Oui, c'est vraiment formidable.
Pourquoi tu aimes Bertie?
Why do you love Bertie?
C'est la question.
What a question. I need a drink first.
Pour moi, ce qui m'a attiré dans Bertie,
What attracted me to Bertie was her sensitivity.
I
I was always eager to find out about out-of-the-ordinary sensibility. A sentence, a word, a flower. She can cry. It's always amazed me that people can cry out of sensibility.
Pleurer aussi par sensibilité. Moi, j'ai souvent.
I often cry when saying goodbye, but I'm not really spontaneous when it comes to crying. In contrast to Bertie.
Avec le pleur, je suis pas vraiment spontanée, quoi. Et alors que Bertie, c'est quelqu'un de spontané avec ça. Alors ça, c'est une chose.
But I also find her beautiful.
Je la trouve belle. J'aime comme elle danse.
I love the way she dances, how she moves.
D'abord, j'ai eu une relation avec un homme, j'ai vécu environ 7 ans. Ah bon, et après, quand c'était fini avec mon relation, j'ai rencontré Danielle.
First of all, I had a relationship with a man for 7 years. After we broke up, I met Danielle. We were with friends, and I fell in love with Danielle.
Étonnée parce que j'ai jamais pensé d'avoir ou de vouloir une relation.
I was surprised, for I'd never imagined that I could fall for a woman. It just happened.
Bon, c'était aussi, au début, j'ai pas reconnu mes sentiments.
At the start, I couldn't fathom out my feelings. I didn't know that it was love, being in love.
Amoureuse. Et ça a duré quelques semaines et à un moment, quand j'ai parlé avec
That took a few weeks. When I spoke with my friends about it, I understood. So you must accept what you feel. You're really in love.
Alors, et c'était pour moi, c'est...
For me, it's not because Danielle is a woman, but because it's Danielle.
Une femme, mais c'est parce que c'était Danielle.
J'ai jamais eu de problème personnel par rapport à l'homosexualité de ma mère.
I've never had any problems with my mother's homosexuality. All my friends completely accepted her because she's been a fantastic mother, and they were all welcome at my home.
Tous mes amis d'adolescence m'ont
When I was a teenager, my friends always said, "It's great at your place, we feel free and don't have to go to bed before midnight."
on peut se coucher à minuit. Et ça, c'était...
Homosexuality was never a central issue. Instead, it was the personality of my mother, the personality of my father, and the atmosphere that prevailed at home. Homosexuality was never a concern, never. You know, you see many things now that you didn't see before. You have to get used to them.
J'ai découvert le désir au lycée en 3e pour un garçon qui représentait beaucoup pour moi, de gentillesse, de contact.
I discovered my longing in the 8th class at grammar school for a boy who meant so much to me on account of his kindness, his gentleness.
Je pensais, c'est maintenant que je peux le faire. Et en même temps, avec une fille de mon...
And at the same time, I felt drawn towards a girl from my class. But I didn't understand
this. Je ne savais
this.
pas tout ça.
At the time, I thought I wasn't normal.
J'ai vraiment pensé que j'étais pas normale. L'attirance avec des jeunes.
This attraction to young girls at grammar school.
C'était aussi le moment où j'ai rencontré la foi.
At the time, I was also confronted with the Christian faith, and I'm still a believer today. This conflict was always inside me, and it was difficult.
Était permanent avec moi et ça a été difficile.
30 years ago, you didn't talk about that kind of love. During my first years in Peyrache, Danielle lived with Mireille, a woman winemaker from the next village, in the Arnaud family's house, together with her husband Elie and the children who were still small. They lived and worked together in their and Mireille's vineyards for all of 7 years, as if it were the most natural thing in the world.
J'ai rencontré Mireille et ça a été la première femme avec qui j'ai...
I met Mireille, and she was the first woman with whom I had a physical relationship. She gave me a great deal. It meant discovery, and the end of my womanly searching, my womanly desire. Why, where, and how it works.
Comment ça se passe.
Ils vont pas oser passer, parce qu'elle peut pas les rentrer, elle.
Mireille runs away rather than talk about her affair with Danielle. She says that the camera will eat up her soul. Since breaking up with Danielle, she lives in the village again, close to her mother, who makes fine goat's cheese. Through Mireille, a number of lesbian women from various parts of France have come to live here.
Je refais le coup de la queue.
Quand Danielle a connu Mireille, est-ce que ça t'a posé...
When Danielle got to know Mireille, did this cause problems for you?
Alors à l'époque où Daniel a
When Daniel got to know Mireille?
Non, je n'ai pas.
No, I had no problems.
Notre couple.
The most you could say was our marriage wasn't a very happy one.
Et bon.
Why?
Bon, on avait des. Je pense que on avait des difficultés à avoir
We had difficulties.
On ne s'aimait plus.
Clearly, we didn't love each other as much as at the start.
Et,
physically, we didn't properly understand one another.
Physiquement, on s'est un peu heurté quelquefois. Et je n'ai pas eu aucune.
But I had no feeling that I was rejecting her.
De rejet
at least, I don't believe I rejected her at the time, as the mother of the children, nor in other ways.
Daniel, en tant que donc mère des enfants ou tout ça. Et bon,
Danielle drops by on her half-brother, Dédé, and his wife, Morissette. He works as a truck driver at the gravel pit down on the river, and she looks after the children and the home.
Ça pourrait aller mieux, mais ça va pas tarder d'aller bien.
Du café, je suis des casses.
Attention, c'est chaud chez lui.
C'est quoi, Nelly, ça?
Si t'arrivais, toi, à la place d'Élie.
How would you react if you were Ellie?
Hein?
À la place d'Élie, comment est-ce que tu réagirais, toi?
J'en trouve une autre, hein?
I'd find someone else, that's no problem. She packs a case, and off she goes.
Ouais, il vous déjà la porte.
You see, he's chucking me out.
Donc il accepte.
He wouldn't accept it, you understand.
Daniel a de la chance qu'Elie a accepté ça.
Danielle's lucky that Elie went along with it. Others would have grabbed a suitcase and left.
Il a accepté parce qu'il aimait très fort Daniel.
He accepted it because he loved Danielle a lot. I think it's a question of love. For me, Elie's the wisest person in this village. You can ask Elie for advice and you get an honest reply. Elie's a great guy.
Pour moi, Elie, c'est ça. Elie, c'est un type super. Hein.
Nelly and Megan are frequent visitors. They live in Lyon. Both work in a factory. They're forced to keep their relationship a secret there, otherwise they lose their jobs. Here in the village, on the other hand, they feel free and accepted.
Oui, là un petit peu encore. Voilà, ça va. Et l'autre? Ça marche.
Vous êtes entouré de.
You're surrounded with women who live with women.
Ça nous choque pas?
We're not shocked.
Bah, c'est leur vie, hein, je veux
It's
dire.
their life. They can do what they want.
Ils font comme ils veulent. Hein.
Est-ce que c'est quelque chose que pour toi tu peux imaginer?
Can you imagine such relationship for yourself?
Pourquoi pas? Tu sais, dans la vie,
Why
tu peux
not?
me dire,
You know, in life you should never say, I'll never drink the water from this well.
Pourquoi pas?
Why not indeed?
Tu me regardes.
Why are you looking at me like that? That's right, isn't it?
You can do what you like.
C'est vrai que quand, comme nous, on côtoie pas mal de...
As we have close contacts with many lesbian couples, we see that they get on with each other and really manage to live as a couple.
Un couple, quoi. Une vie de couple.
Do you see differences between a lesbian couple and yourselves?
Et un couple comme vous ou d'autres?
C'est différent, moi, je trouve. C'est des attitudes
It's
différentes.
different. They treat each other
Je sais
differently.
pas, j'ai l'impression que...
I believe,
Si je dis ça, je vais...
if I say this, I'll be thrown out of here,
que c'est peut-être
that
moins...
they're perhaps a little
pas
less
vulgaire,
vulgar.
mais, enfin, je sais pas, je vois
They're not
surtout
so
Mégane et
provocative.
Nelly, c'est pas
It's based more on
provocant, quoi.
feelings than sexual attraction.
C'est plutôt affectif qu'une attirance sexuelle, tu vois. Tu as A-N, tu as E-N, tu as A-N.
Laisse-le, après il part là-bas. Si on le gros, ça va, si on le gros prend, on se tourne de côté.
Vas-y.
Ah.
Qu'est-ce que tu lui as enfilé? Qu'est-ce que tu lui as donné? Je peux pas dire que j'ai préféré des femmes ou les hommes.
I can't say that I prefer women or men. I see no limits there. I get on better with women, it seems easier to me. Perhaps it's a similarity, with sensibility next. This sensibility, which you don't see in my case, although it exists. It's not physical craving. No, what matters is to feel comfortable with someone who can understand what it's like to be a woman.
Elie, how would you have reacted if it had been a man rather than Mireille?
Voilà, alors ça, c'est sûr que c'est une question un peu...
Oh, the question is a bit tricky for me.
En fait, parce que c'est vrai que si à la place de Mireille ça avait été un homme, je pense que...
Yes, if it had been a man instead of Mireille, then I probably wouldn't have accepted it nearly as well.
Moins bien. Je pense qu'avec Mireille, on a eu d'excellentes relations.
I got on really fine with Mireille.
Et il est possible qu'avec...
It's possible that things wouldn't have worked out as well with someone else, especially a man.
Ça se passe moins bien.
Pourquoi? Why?
Why?
Pourquoi?
Why?
C'est... bon, c'est...
It's hard for me to reply and find the reason.
De trouver le pourquoi. Mais je dis ça, ce n'est pas une certitude, hein, c'est... Bon, c'est... Mais je sens que c'est une possibilité.
I believe that by nature, I'm perhaps closer to a woman than a man.
Peut-être par nature, je suis plus facilement proche d'une femme que d'un homme. Et, mais bien sûr, il y a beaucoup
But there are many exceptions, of course.
Did your children always know everything about your life?
Ah oui.
Oh yes.
Oui, ça,
we never hid it from the children.
Les enfants, on ne leur a jamais rien caché de ce que l'on vivait.
Je crois que je ne m'en suis pas rendu compte tout de suite. J'ai d'abord réalisé qu'il y avait une séparation entre mes parents. Ça, c'était...
I believe I couldn't understand it at first. The first thing I noticed was that my parents had split up. That is what, well, I can't say shocked me, but it really hurt me. I think it's a problem faced by all children whose parents split up. It hurts. I first was aware about it when I talked it over with my friends when I was 14, 15. One day I told them that my mother is homosexual.
Un jour, j'ai dit à mes amis, ma mère est homosexuelle. Et c'est là vraiment où j'ai pris conscience.
That's when it became clear,
de ce que c'était.
Because previously I'd been used to living with a lesbian mother, a mother who flaunted her homosexuality in broad daylight.
Homosexualité au grand jour et en nous la faisant partager.
Moi, je crois que tout a commencé avec d'avoir des enfants.
It all began with having babies. I'm convinced that I would never have renounced children on account of a physical relationship with women. That's why I often have arguments with certain lesbian women, keep away from them, because the children are my life.
Je me mets vraiment à côté, parce que pour moi, mes enfants, c'est ma vie. Je le regarde quelquefois quand je suis un peu nostalgique.
I sometimes look at them when I'm feeling a bit sad. This is Papa and Mama's wedding. Mama was and still is very beautiful. Beautiful because her face expresses sensibility and love.
Toute l'expression de la sensibilité, de l'amour.
Papa too, although I scarcely knew him.
Je l'ai peu connu. Yeah.
Yes, that's the way it is.
C'est ça. J'ai jamais vu papa et maman.
I can't recall ever seeing Papa and Mama together, but I've got the photos.
Ensemble. Alors j'ai les photos. Ça. Mais c'est comme.
In a way, it's like as if I never experienced this time.
Comme j'ai pas vécu ce temps-là. Quand j'ai rencontré Ellie, Ellie, ça a été à la fois la sécurité. Il était grand,
When I met Ellie, he meant security for me.
On avait la même foi.
He was big and strong, wore a beard, and we had the same faith. In love? At the start, yes. You can say that I was in love. In love with Ellie the farmer, because I'd always wanted to marry a farmer. On the other hand, in love with the security, represented by Papa, who had not been at my side during many, many years.
Que j'avais pas eu là derrière moi pendant des années. Et aussi à la fois
also his understanding and gentleness.
Parce qu'Ellie, c'est quelqu'un de
Ellie is someone who attracts others through his personality, his kindness.
Par sa présence, par sa bonté. Oui, peut-être là j'ai été.
Oh yes, perhaps I was in love. At the time, I felt content.
Je me sentais installée dans moi, quoi. Puis le côté féminin.
Perhaps it was also the feminine side of Ellie.
De regarder les fleurs.
The way he looked at flowers, how he pursued his work. Our courtship was short and stormy.
Rapide, forte. On s'est mariés.
We very soon got married. And I immediately wanted to have children with Ellie. For I knew Ellie would always be there. That we would never lose one another. And that what we began together, we would also finish together.
On allait créer ensemble, on le finirait ensemble.
How would you describe Danielle?
Describe Danielle?
Elle a envie de s'occuper de tout, quoi.
Voilà, elle a un énorme...
Des choses agréables et puis
She always wants to take care of everything, the nice things and the others as well. If something goes wrong, then she knows at once. That's one of her good features.
Qu'elle m'a le mieux appris, c'est la tolérance.
I've always admired her tolerance. And when you admire something, then you try to act the same way. But you can't always manage.
Quand on admire quelque chose, on essaie de faire pareil, quoi. On n'arrive pas toujours, mais...
Ce qui nous soude tous, c'est le fait qu'on peut tout avouer. Même les choses dont on
What welds us together is the fact that you can talk about everything, even things that you're not proud of at all. We can speak about everything. We know that whatever happens, we won't be judged and that nothing can harm our relationship.
Les uns pour les autres, ils sont là et de toute façon, rien ne les mettra en danger, quoi.
The feelings that we have for one another are there and nothing can endanger them. That's something that Papa gave us. I believe that Elie was very important for the trust we share.
Il a été aussi très très important, quoi. Pour cette confiance qu'on a en fait les uns dans les autres.
Oui, parce que justement, lui, il est calme.
Because Elie is quieter, more composed. He taught us different things from Mama.
Je sais, mais tu te rendormiras, mon vieux. Tu peux pas appeler la SPA au cas où? Sur tatouage? Ouais. Permettez.
Oui, je lui demandais ça.
Vous tuez les belles gens.
Ah,
c'est long.
People here say that when there's thunder, the angels are playing boo with God.
Je tape là-bas, ça.
Ah, caca. Par droit.
Aïe, 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 la caméra. T'es pas obligé de tuer la caméra.
Ah oui. Hein? Sophie. Non, mais si tu montes ici, Daniel, ta poule, elle va là-bas.
Moi, je peux dire que par rapport aux gens du village, ça a été une question pour moi.
As I love to be loved, I was worried that the village people would turn their backs on me. I'm sure they had their thoughts.
Un tourne-dos. des gens du village. Je sais pas exactement.
I myself have never talked about it to people in the village.
Qu'ils se sont posé des questions, mais j'ai jamais parlé avec les gens du village. Bon, je sais.
I know that people talked, but no one rejected me or picked on me to my face.
Mais jamais personne ne m'a refusé ou a été agressif ou même avec Ellie ou même avec
nor on Ellie or the children.
On a vécu normalement.
We lived quite normally.
Normalement. On travaillait ensemble.
We worked together. We ate at the same table. We didn't change our lives.
Il n'y a pas eu de... On n'a pas changé.
We never kept ourselves apart. We stayed within the village.
On est resté dedans, dans le village.
Non, je
Prise combien de lièvres?
Prise minimum autorisée, 3 bécasses.
3 bécasses par jour, ils autorisent. Je dis, on va où?
Si, je vous ai vu.
Mais moi, je t'ai pas vu monter. Ah, mais si, tu es descendu avec une chemise bleue.
Ouais, je lui mettais 12 euros un jour.
Pourquoi tu étais pas arrêté?
Mais je te dis,
mais ça ne veut pas dire qu'il a une action meilleure sur nous. Remarque, parce qu'il y en a qui
Every Saturday afternoon, the winemakers meet in the supermarket. Gathered round the freezer, they exchange the latest gossip. Danielle is usually the only woman.
Tu en as fait un poudrage?
Mais non, mais pourquoi vous dites que vous boulez avec du souffle? C'est pas vrai.
Ah, j'ai jamais voulu.
Vous allez à Marsac?
Moi, je vais... Oui, j'y vais à Marsac.
Ouais, mais dis-moi, il n'y a personne?
Tell me, did no one really pick on you?
No, never. I had quarrels with people who didn't want to accept it, but there was never rejection. We don't want any more to do with you.
Ça n'a jamais été un refus en disant je te parle plus parce que ça. Non, ça, non. On a eu avec Mireille.
Only once with Mireille. Oh yes, now you've asked me, there was something.
Bon, pour moi, c'est si nul, si...
It was so rotten, so dirty.
Si sale,
It's a long time ago.
Le premier temps que...
At the start of my relationship with Mireille, we got back to Espinel one evening, and a parcel was waiting for us.
Et on a trouvé un paquet. Et on a pris ce paquet.
We opened it, found a vibrator, and cuttings from pornographic magazines.
Vibromasseur et des coupures de journaux totalement porno. Et je peux dire que ce moment-là...
At first, when we discovered that filthy vibrator, my eyes filled with tears. But then I felt terribly angry. It really hurt.
Ma première réaction a été les larmes. Et tout de suite après l'agressivité, ça c'est sûr. Ça, j'ai eu mal. Et pendant, je pense...
For a few weeks we tried to find out who had been responsible.
Et c'est des gens...
It must have been people who knew us, who had seen us, who were close to us.
Qui nous ont sentis, qui ont... Mais on n'a jamais...
We never found out.
Vous savez, c'est difficile, hein, parce que...
You know, it's hard. You often have to pour a lot of water in your wine, as the saying goes. In my village, too, I have to accept that people don't live like I do, that they're different. It's not so easy.
Et voilà, j'ai plus de l'eau.
You find something in every family that's different from what you have at home. But you know, you shouldn't get excited about it. Life goes on. The earth spins round. I can't stop it.
La vie continue, la terre tourne. Alors, c'est pas moi qui vais y mettre une entrave.
A basic rule in the village is not to talk too much about others. A great deal is known about each individual. People also have long memories. There are as many stories as there are stones, but they're told with a certain reserve, for they concern someone you must still live alongside. Rumors are concealed behind thick stone walls and remain a well-kept secret among kindred souls. Tolerance denotes accepting what cannot be changed in any case. Simone, Daniel's mother, is paying a visit. She has left her 30 cats and 6 dogs alone in order to enjoy birthday celebrations together with Ellie, Daniel and Christelle. This year, all 4 have reached a round figure.
Peut-être pas tout seul. J'espère.
Au moins, à 16 heures, quand je suis chez moi, je vais les partout. Et après,
une ombre de la rue.
You must all know each other in the country.
Yes, but that doesn't mean we're always together. You know, in winter I sometimes spend a week at home without seeing anyone. But I've got to get out, so I go into my garden. There I see people passing by, at least. The one greets me, the other doesn't. But so what? At least I see someone.
Parce que moi, je vois passer les gens, je vois un qui me dit bonjour, un autre qui me dit pas, mais c'est rien, je vois du monde.
C'est la chemise pour Elie.
I'm ironing Eli's shirt because he's meeting up with the wine fraternity.
With what?
With a wine fraternity. He joined it recently. They get together for dinners.
And what does he do with it?
He wears it.
No, I mean the wine fraternity.
Do you often iron things for Elie and the kids?
No, very seldom. I only iron the most essential things for Elie when I want him to look his best.
Envie qu'il soit beau. Aussi, j'ai pas envie de. Et Elie repasse.
Elie doesn't iron.
Quand il y a quelque chose.
If there's something important, then I do it.
D'important, je le fais. Mais j'aime pas.
But I don't really like ironing.
C'est ça le problème.
That's the problem.
Mais je fais bien.
I do it well, don't I?
Je suis un peu en retard, mais c'est pas ma faute.
Ah bon.
Merci. Il ne fallait pas que je repasse mes papillons. Quoi?
Non. Non, très bien.
Bonne journée.
Merci.
Les arbres qui sont un peu plus vieux, hein, parce que voilà, il n'y en a pas là. Il n'y a que du thym, il y a de... Ça, c'est des anciens plants.
Look, there's wild lavender. It smells good.
Qui sont bons. Ça. Ils faisaient des petits paquets avec des queues comme ça, avec ramasser.
Formerly, our grandmothers used to fill it into sacks, tied with a rubber band or a thread, and put it into the cupboard so that the linen always smelt of lavender.
Pour que dans l'armoire, ça sente toujours très bon. Et ça sentait, le linge sentait toujours la lavande. Il faudra revenir, maintenant on sait qu'il reste encore un peu de lavande. Et ça, c'est bon. Et puis on viendra chercher du thym pour faire.
We must come back again and pick some thyme for the meat.
Pour s'il fait encore un peu soleil, on aura de la chance. Hein? Attends, je sais plus où on est passé. Ici.
Et voilà. Hello.
What are you doing? I fetched some vegetables. We're having ratatouille tonight. And what are you doing now? I'll just clear up another 3 or 4 things and then I'll come by for a drink if you don't mind. Fine. Till later. You can cope with more people than I can. I'm quite different.
And now we've started another discussion on egoism, spontaneity, availability. I think we've talked enough about that.
You are...
Oh, that gets on my nerves.
Yes, I know, it's a pity, but you've still not understood. I'd like to have more time for myself and for the two of us to do something together. And that doesn't mean that I want to be with you the whole day and that you shouldn't see other people. That's also something I've got to know. That's how it is here with spontaneous visits and the likes. But for you, it's never enough.
No, for me it's never enough, that's for sure. Daniel, how do you see the problem that Bertie has with your family?
Par rapport à mes enfants, mes petits-enfants, et par rapport à Élie,
I don't want to consider any problems about Bertie as far as my children, grandchildren and Élie are concerned. Either she accepts them or not. And that's what it's all about. I believe, and I've said it often, sorry Bertie, but I believe that women who haven't had any children don't know what it means to have children.
Je crois que les femmes qui n'ont pas eu d'enfants ne savent pas qu'est-ce que ça représente que d'avoir des enfants. Et on peut parler.
You can talk and be tolerant and respect women who are childless. But when it comes to children, there's always the problem of a lack of understanding.
Un problème d'enfant, il y a toujours un problème d'incompréhension. Et entre Bertie et moi, il y a.
And this problem exists between Bertie and me. It really hurt during our first years together. But it no longer hurts me at all. If Bertie loves me, then she must accept that I'm not only available for her.
Elle doit accepter que je ne suis pas disponible que pour elle. J'ai une agression verbale, parce que c'est une autre forme.
I'm aggressive with words,
probably because it's another form of defense. I'm inclined to attack before I'm attacked. I know that people think I'm strong, dominating. I'm labeled that way, but I believe it's the wrong label. So first I defend myself, probably because I'm shy, you know, because I lack self-confidence, and that's why I'm aggressive.
Jane. Alors? Ça va? Ouais?
Ma petite comme l'eau, elle est comme l'eau vive, elle court comme un ruisseau que les enfants poursuivent. Courez, courez, vite si vous le pouvez, jamais, jamais. Vous ne la rattraperez.
Que Danielle soit mère.
Do you find it a problem that Danielle is a mother?
Oui, ça fait des problèmes parce que je crois.
Yes, it causes problems. I guess that the children come first, not just in Danielle's case, but in the case of girlfriends as well.
Les enfants. Et bon, quand c'est des petits enfants, c'est autre chose. Mais avec des enfants, avec Christelle, Clarisse.
It's understandable when the children are small, but in the case of Christelle, Clarisse, and Christophe, who are living lives of their own, I find it different. I think she chose the relationship with me, but I often feel that when I'm here, she puts the children first. I go along with that, but only when they're facing a problem. You know, someone turning up 3 times a day for drinks and then for coffee and then another for a drink and then eating together. That's too much. First and foremost, my relationship is with Danielle and not with the other members of the family.
Oh non, hey.
I've had enough now. After 5 years, the things that I loved at the beginning are now the aspects I find difficult.
Sont maintenant des côtés qui sont très difficiles pour moi.
Wedding anniversary, 30 years of marriage, 3 children, 3 grandchildren.
Laissez-vous faire, Milord, et prenez bien vos ailes, vos peines sur mon cœur, et vos pieds sur une chaise. Je vous connais, Milord, vous ne m'avez jamais vu. Je suis qu'une fille du port, une ombre de la rue. Et maintenant, c'est à vous.
30 ans de mariage, c'est peut-être un bail important.
30 years of marriage may be an important pact, Of course, we can live our lives independently, without challenging what is most essential.
D'organiser sa vie de manière indépendante, que l'un ou l'autre, sans mettre en cause, sans remettre en cause l'essentiel de notre vie. Pendant ces 30 ans, on s'est aussi connus pour se respecter mutuellement.
During these 30 years, we've also got to know each other, so that we mutually respect one another. Each of us has his place, and I think that what links us most today, well, the word love doesn't fit, but the word friendship fits very well.
Did you never meet another woman whom you would have liked to marry?
No, not really.
En fait, non.
Élie, tu n'as jamais pensé à l'époque
Did you ever think of getting divorced?
Avec Daniel?
À vrai dire, oui. À une certaine époque, cette idée
To be honest,
de séparation,
there was a time when I thought about being separated, but it was only a possibility. I never really considered it, because I didn't believe a divorce was necessary in order to realize our individual freedom or our feelings.
Parce que je ne croyais pas à la nécessité d'un divorce pour pouvoir vivre notre liberté individuelle ou nos sentiments. Mais peut-être aussi.
But perhaps I'm just saying this because during this time I never really considered starting a new life and living with someone new.
Sérieusement, de refaire de ce qu'on peut appeler refaire sa vie et de vivre avec une autre personne.
Sure, if that had been the case, well, then I don't know.
Je ne sais pas à ce moment-là.
Bientôt me secourir, ou me faudra mourir. Pourquoi fuis-tu, milliarde, si je suis près de toi? Quand tes yeux je regarde, je me perds dedans moi. Car tes perfections changent mes actions.
Alors Clarisse, est-ce que tu aurais aimé
Did you ever wish that their life had been different?
que tu avais un pas ce style de vie?
J'aurais aimé qu'ils aient une vie de couple.
I would have liked it if they'd lived like a proper couple, especially for my father, as I know how much he suffered. I think he suffered a lot because Mama had her life, and at the same time she was very possessive as far as he was concerned. That's how I saw it. Each time he had an escapade, she was always on his tail, and that got on all our nerves a bit.
Franchement, j'aurais préféré qu'ils se séparent.
To be honest, I would have preferred it if they'd split up, for my father, so that he too would have had the chance to live another life, to meet someone else, to have other love affairs. It hurt me. Somewhere along the line, he sacrificed himself.
Je pense pas qu'il se soit vraiment sacrifié. Je crois que c'est le déroulement, quoi.
I don't think he really sacrificed himself. I believe it just took its course. It simply happened. All of a sudden, the crunch came. I can remember that. We all can remember.
On s'en rappelle tous, hein, la fracture, c'est là que ça nous a fait mal, quoi. Et puis après, moi j'ai eu l'impression.
It really hurt. And afterwards, I had the impression that, well, it just simply happened. Quite quietly, Mama was living with someone, and Papa was alone.
Papa était seul.
I think he was too tolerant towards Mama, although he suffered so much on account of Mother's girlfriends. Her way of life was a bit too provocative for him to bear. I feel that now and again he should have thumped his fist on the table in order to put her in her place, not for her to become normal, but to show some more respect.
Avec ton peigne.
Non, c'est trop dur, la terre est assez.
Dur,
On va essayer de brosser un peu les outils.
Paulette's husband died 3 years ago. Since then, she goes every day to his grave to look after it.
Il y a un cap à passer et souvent les jeunes n'ont pas la patience de le passer.
Difficulties are there to be overcome. Often the youngsters don't have the patience to master them. Later it becomes better. The children have left. You're forced to share everything, to live together because everyday life isn't that enjoyable without your partner.
Sans son compagnon, c'est pas très agréable. Alors que si on peut passer les moments difficiles, et bien après ça va mieux.
Okay, when you've overcome the difficult moments, then it gets better. You try to be there for one another, to find a way to make life pleasant. You speak about the past, about the children. You don't look elsewhere for something that you already have at home. That's how it is.
C'est surtout ça.
Ça a été une période dure, oui. Le moment où j'ai fait ma dépression, là, It
was a tough time when I had my depression. I didn't know whether it was really honest to stay with Elie. Also regarding the children.
Et par rapport aussi aux enfants, par rapport à... Mais c'était un moment, je crois, où je pensais pas bien.
But it was a time when I wasn't thinking properly.
J'avais pas j'étais... c'est le moment où j'étais...
A time when I was completely hung up.
Déjanté, j'avais pas mis en place...
I still hadn't found my philosophy of life. I was still searching.
Le moment où je la cherchais.
Ça change quoi pour toi quand tu défaussé de Elie? Parce que ça, c'est quelque chose que... Oui, il y a quand je vois vous
What
deux,
difference would it make to you if you were divorced from Elie?
Comme vous êtes des amis,
when I look at the pair of you, your friendship, then it really touches me.
Et ce que je ne comprends pas, j'ai idée que peut-être je dois dire
But what I don't understand is that you, perhaps I should say both of you, tend to exaggerate. Like last year, for instance, when you celebrated your 30th wedding anniversary.
Une fête pour votre 30 ans de mariage.
Oui.
Bon, excuse-moi, pour moi c'était une farce. On dit ça?
I'm sorry, but I felt that was a farce. I don't want to be nasty, but to celebrate 30 years of marriage, just like that. Is marriage only a piece of paper, an official matter? What does it mean, marriage?
Un mariage.
C'est ce que
seulement le papier, c'est
Bertie, mais là, c'est ce que je vais... Alors là, excuse-moi, mais je vais te faire mal.
Bertie, sorry, but I've got to hurt you here. It only shows that you haven't understood anything about the spirituality which can exist between people.
Non, oui, je pense pas.
I don't see it like that.
Pity. Getting married, perhaps that's what it is. When we got married, we thought we were very much in love and would make love till we were 90. Reality's different.
La réalité, c'est pas ça. Et ça empêche pas de garder de l'amitié.
And why shouldn't you keep up a friendship? Hold on to what you have and respect one another.
Conserver ce qu'on a créé.
Oui, et ça c'est bon. Mais
et de se respecter.
That's what it means to me.
Pour moi, c'est tout. Et quand tu dis.
And if you think we're being theatrical and farcical, then it makes me want to cry. Then you haven't understood a thing.
Parce que à ce moment-là, je pense que tu as rien compris.
Est-ce que tu es un homme heureux?
Are you a happy man?
Je pense que je suis un homme heureux. Pas complètement.
I believe I'm a happy man. Not entirely, because I still keep dreaming that I'll meet my second great love somewhere. Or a third one. I don't know exactly anymore.
Oui, je rêve encore d'être amoureux encore une autre fois. Mais
yes, I dream of being in love again someday. But really, I'm a happy man. Look, my cat. She's purring. And all the rest.
Et tout le reste. Oui, le bonheur, c'est...
Bliss, that's everything. There's love, but sometimes it can be quite simple things.
Des choses toutes simples.
Which?
Quoi? Alors, des choses toutes simples, c'est vivre en paix
Simple also means living at peace with yourself. To
ça,
accept yourself physically as you are, with all your faults and advantages.
S'accepter, quoi, tel que l'on est, physiquement et avec qualité et défaut. Et puis, le bonheur, vivre heureux, c'est...
Happiness? Living happily doesn't necessarily mean being content with what you've got.
Non pas se contenter de ce que l'on a, mais...
But overcoming the contradictions which can exist in life between what you experience and what you'd like to experience.
Entre ce que l'on vit et ce que l'on aimerait vivre.
Ja.
Bon marché. J'ai tout le temps ce soir. Tac.